In JavaScript, a variable contains a value such as hello or 5. When you use the variable, you refer to the data it represents. For example, number of days left equals end date minus today's date. You use variables to store, retrieve, and manipulate values that appear in your code. Explain, please.
So a variable is essentially just something that you create that holds data.
Okay, here's an example. Okay, this is my data, all right? Now, if I want to get my data, I have to put it in something, because if I just put my data down, it rolls away, and then I've lost my data. So, I create a variable. This is a variable, and I'm going to name him Kirby, because I can name my variable whatever I want. Now, I take my data, and I put it in Kirby. Now, when Hannah wants to call on my data, all she has to do is
Call Kirby. Kirby.
and now she has my data. And that's a variable. It's just a box that you name that you put stuff in. Things you want to have later.